How to use multiple coupons on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can basically use multiple coupons on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have the Shein app, you have a coupon code, and you have multiple coupon codes. You want to apply all the coupon codes? Well, unfortunately, Shein's website or Shein app only allows one coupon or promo code to be applied per order. This means that you cannot stack multiple coupons on the same order. You have to order them differently, or you cannot do them on the same order. So that's basically how it works. Now, there are definitely a few ways you can minimize your savings on Shein. You can simply look for sales and promotions, because Shein often offers discounts and promotions on their website. You can keep an eye out for these deals to save money on your purchase. You can also sign up for the email newsletter. By signing up for Shein's email newsletter, you'll receive a exclusive discount and promo code straight to your inbox. You can also check out Shein's daily picks. Shein features a daily pick section on their website where you can find items at a discounted price, or refer friends, because Shein offers a referral program where you can earn discounts by referring friends to their website. By utilizing this, you can still save money on Shein does, even if you can't apply multiple coupons to the same order. Hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.